In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for a Chime credit card online. First, it's important to understand that Chime doesn't offer traditional credit cards like those you might get from other banks. Instead, they have a unique product known as the Chime Credit Builder Visa Card. Let's dive into the details of how you can apply for this card online. To begin, you'll need to ensure that you already have a Chime account because the Credit Builder Visa Card is an extension of your existing account with them. If you don't have a Chime account yet, you should start by setting that up on their website. Make sure all your personal details are accurate and up to date, as this will streamline the application process later on. Once your Chime account is set up and verified, you're ready to move forward. Log into your Chime account using your preferred web browser. This is where you can manage your financial activities, and now it's where you'll apply for the Chime Credit Builder Visa Card. In your account dashboard, you'll find an option linked to the Chime Credit Builder card. Click on it and you will be directed to a page with the card's features and benefits. It's a good idea to review these features so you're fully aware of how this card can aid your credit building journey. Remember, the Chime Credit Builder Visa Card is designed to help users boost their credit scores by reporting your account activity to all three major credit bureaus. Next, if you're ready to apply, simply follow the prompts on that page. You'll need to provide some personal information, such as your social security number and other identification details that help verify your identity. Rest assured that Chime uses secure and encrypted technology to protect your sensitive information. After entering your details, submit your application. You should receive a confirmation once it's sent. Usually, it won't take long for Chime to review your application, and if everything is in order, you should get a response relatively quickly. If approved, you'll receive your Chime Credit Builder Visa Card in the mail in a few business days. Finally, once you've got your card, you can activate it by following the instructions provided by Chime. Activation can typically be done through your online account or the Chime mobile app. It's important to ensure you have funds in your secured account to use a credit builder card. The amount you move into your secured account becomes your spending limit, giving you full control over your credit usage. So there you have it, a straightforward process to apply for the Chime Credit Builder Visa Card online. Not only does this card offer you the tools to manage your spending, but it also provides an opportunity to actively build your credit score, which is increasingly important in today's financial landscape. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.